Hey friends! Protect your truck bed from rain, snow, and theft with these top-rated waterproof tonneau covers for all-weather durability. In this video, we're taking a look at the best waterproof tonneau covers for all weather in 2026, known for their real quality and performance. I've put this list together based on my personal opinion and hours of research, considering popularity, quality, price, durability, user feedback, and more. If you want more details and the latest prices, check out the description below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more honest tech reviews. Let's dive right in. Starting with our first, the Shade Max Stake Pocket Covers. These are an essential accessory for 2019 to 2026 GMC Sierra and Chevy Silverado owners looking to maintain a clean bed rail. Crafted from high-quality ABS material, these covers are durable, waterproof, and UV-resistant, featuring thickened edges to prevent cracking over time. They provide practical protection by preventing rain, snow, and dirt from entering the stake holes, which safeguards exposed metal from hidden corrosion. Designed with precision, the extended edges ensure a flush fit while remaining easy to remove whenever you need to clean the rail. Installation is incredibly simple, just clean the area and snap them in without any tools. It's a small upgrade that offers a much more finished, professional look to your truck. Next up, our second product, the Autosaver 88 Hard Trifold Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. Specifically tailored for Dodge Ram 1500 models, this cover features a fiberglass reinforced polymer construction with an internal honeycomb frame for maximum strength. This design makes it exceptionally durable, capable of supporting up to 450 pounds while remaining resistant to scratches and impact. It is engineered for total all-weather security, keeping your gear dry and safe from the elements or potential theft. The secure locking mechanism provides complete privacy once the tailgate is closed. Installation is effortless thanks to a no-drill design that uses 6 robust clamps for a stable fit. Combining rugged durability with a modern, low-profile aesthetic, it's a high-value upgrade that any truck owner will appreciate. Coming in at number 3, the Real Truck Bach Hard Folding Truck Bed Tonneau Cover, featuring the renowned BAK Flip MX4 design. This cover is a perfect fit for modern Ford F-150s and is built with heavy-duty aluminum panels that provide ultimate security by automatically latching as they are closed. The premium matte finish not only looks sophisticated but also resists UV rays, marks, and scratches. One of its standout features is the ability to provide 100 bed access by flipping the panels up against the cab without obstructing the third brake light. The dual-action tailgate seal ensures you can operate the tailgate freely whether the cover is open or shut. It offers a perfect blend of rugged, long-lasting protection and everyday practical utility. Now, let's talk about our fourth, the Gator Soft Roll-Up Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. This ETX model is a top-tier choice for Ford F-150 owners who want a sleek look combined with reliable protection. Made in the USA, it features a fast, no-drill installation process that involves simple clamping onto the bed rails. The functionality is top-notch. The cover rolls up completely to the cab and secures with a storage strap, giving you full access to your bed for large hauls. Its robust vinyl construction ensures your cargo stays protected from rain and wind while maintaining a low-profile appearance that can even improve your truck's aerodynamics. Backed by a lifetime warranty on the frame, it is a dependable and highly convenient investment for any driver. And last but certainly not least, our final pick, the Tiger Auto Soft Roll-Up Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. This patented cover is designed for Ram 1500 trucks and is constructed from heavy-duty 24 ounces marine-grade vinyl for superior weather resistance. It features built-in horizontal crossbars for structural support and aircraft-grade aluminum side rails for maximum stability. The cover seals tightly with side Velcro strips and a reliable latch lock system at the tailgate to keep your belongings secure. An adjustable tension system is included, allowing you to keep the vinyl tight and wrinkle-free throughout the year. Installation is straightforward and typically requires no drilling. With a limited lifetime warranty, this cover offers long-lasting protection and a clean, custom appearance for your truck bed. Thanks for watching Auto Garage. We hope this video helped you find the perfect automotive gear and accessories for your ride. If you found it useful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to support the channel. Got any questions about the products or need help choosing the right one? Drop them in the comments below. We're always here to help. Stay tuned for more top automotive picks, honest reviews, and the latest car gadgets, right here on Auto Garage. See you in the next one.